the shimmer glitter, we need aluminium foil and you have to cut it with the scissors as I am showing. And also comment, do you want me to make crafts from these glitters? Now we have made the glitter, and if you want then you can use it as it is, or if you want to separate the big pieces and the small pieces then you can use a sieve and you can do as I am doing. Also I am using a brush to separate it because it makes it easier. Now our shimmer glitter is ready and it is looking so good, and no one can tell that this is handmade glitter using aluminium foil. And these are the big ones and these are the small particles that I have separated. So for making these holographic glitter you can use a gift wrap that is easily available in the market, and you have to cut it like this. The sizes of all the glitters totally depend on you, if you want the big chunks of glitter or you want the small ones. So again I am using a brush because this brush helps a lot, and also it removes all the particles that stick to your hand. So I am using this brush, and you can store this glitter in any containers. You can even sell this glitter to your friends by giving them in cheaper prices than the market. And look how beautiful this glitter looks. It's so shimmery and shiny. This glitter doesn't look that it is made at home, but this glitter is so easy to make and it's so good. I really like this glitter. And in this corona time, if you run out of your glitter, then you can definitely make this. It's more safer to make this glitter than buy it from outside. In the third and final type of glitter, I'm using this wrapper. You can use any wrapper of chocolate, chips or biscuits. In this glitter I have made the particles slightly bigger, but if you want then you can make this in small pieces also, but do not make this ones in very big particles because they won't look good because of the things written on them. And here are all the glitter that I have made. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video.